Hello, listen up guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to do those green beauties, Spanish Padron Peppers. Ole! So what you need is a green Padron Peppers, salt and olive oil. So to start off, put a bit of olive oil into the pan and whack on a medium heat. Then put your peppers into the pan. Then fry them until they get those black blisters. Then when they nice and brown, I season them with the garlic powder, but it's up to you. You can season them with anything you like, really. Now a bit of sea salt for finishing touch. And here we have it. Fantastic Spanish Padron Peppers. Bye amigos!